Heard you want to make a video. Well, I'm here to help. It's time for your tips of the week. All of these ideas can be applied to every single budget level. Step 1 is don't shake the camera. This doesn't look good. This is fine. A little bit of camera movement is fine, but as soon as it starts shaking, you get these things called micro jitters, and it's a dead giveaway for cheap video. Little pro tip about that, you can just bend your knees. Even with a phone, that works wonders. Tip number 2 is do everything in your power to get good audio. Even if it's not perfect, a little tiny microphone, good audio is what's gonna take your video from good to great. So if you can, do your best to get the crispest, cleanest audio possible. Tip number 3, and the final tip of the day, is collaboration is key. Even if you come back to your original idea, running that idea by a bunch of different people is gonna give you little nuggets and gems that you can incorporate into that to make it go from good to great. So take those 3 tips into mind and go make some cool stuff. I'll see you next week. Bye!